Hey everybody, we're back on Facebook Live. Hope everyone had a great week. It's Friday, the 5th of March. Happy March. I hope everyone's doing all right. We all have survived thus far. So, what I want to talk today about is massage guns. All right. I got a question earlier this week on a mobility post. Someone wanted to know how to use a massage gun, so I brought mine in here. Comes in this nice little case. It's pretty loud, mine is, but I like this one better than some of the ones that you're going to buy at the store. This is what it looks like. Okay, you put the little heads in there. Looks like this. This piece will adjust for your hand position. All right. So that is what I have. This one comes with 3 different heads. I'll just kind of pop this up here. It comes with a big ball that's relatively soft right here. And then it comes with a little ball, also relatively soft. And then I have a point. That one's a little harder to grab. I got to be able to pinch it. Right here. Comes with this point. That's a little harder material. So here are the 3 heads that this one comes with. All right. So what we want to talk about today is how I use it for rehab and recovery. All right. So I'm going to use this big ball. This is going to be an ideal for a big area, right? Like if you want to get your quad or your hamstring or your glute, you're going to want the bigger head. I'm going to put it in the massage gun right now. Make sure it's locked in there nice and tight. Good. So this is what that's going to look like. Okay, I'm going to push the button. I'm not going to talk with this because it's going to be pretty loud. And you're going to see it go in and out. All right, it's just a little jackhammer action. It goes in and out. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to find the area that we're going to use. Okay. I'm going to do it on my forearm so y'all can see it a little bit better. All right. So we're going to find that area. We're going to notice where our tight, tender spots are. Okay. And then you're going to start it. All right. You're not going to put it on there and then push it. That's going to hurt. All right. So you're going to start it and then put it on there lightly. And then you'll gradually apply some pressure to the area. Okay, so I'm going to get this started. It's going to be loud. I apologize. This is just a loud one. I'm going to do it a little farther away. Okay, and what you'll notice is I'm not just doing it on one spot, but I'm kind of sliding it around. Okay, I'm adding pressure as I'm able to. All right, so if you're doing this on yourself, start with light pressure and then add the pressure as you're able. This should not hurt. It should feel good. It should feel like you're loosening things up. All right, so if you're watching this and want to know more about massage guns, just say hi. And then if you are also, if you want to know more about mobility and stuff, you can reach out to us. If there's any videos you want to know about, please comment below and I'll get to that in one of our lives. All right. So you can use this on various body parts. You want to stay away from bone, right? So you don't want to do it right on the bones of the spine. You're not going to do it on fingers, right? You're not going to do it on your elbow, but you want to stay away from bony areas. You want to do it on soft tissue. All right. Now let's talk a little bit about the effects of this. Okay. So are we breaking up scar tissue with that? Probably not. The research is showing us that we're probably giving it a what's called a neuromodulation. We're changing the inputs to that area, and the nervous system is registering that so that we can feel looser. All right. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to do this. There's two periods of time where I recommend doing this. Okay. One is if you're really muscle sore from a workout or whatever, you went for a long run and now you have some sore muscles a few hours later, is you can do a light massage for that for about 5 minutes on the whole legs if you want. The other one that you can do is you can do it as a warm up, as part of your warm up routine. You can, if you have any tight areas that are restricted, I know a lot of people, you may use a foam roller. So you can use this in the same way that you would use a foam roller, which is also modulating that nervous system. So you'll feel looser. Now, the important thing is once you feel looser, is you need to take advantage of that new range of motion, right? So let's say you went for a long run yesterday and you're sore today and you want to use your massage gun, and that's fine. That's great. Use it, but then move. Take those muscles that you're doing. If you're doing the quad, go into a deep squat, right? A few times. Take advantage of that range of motion that you have now made available through your nervous system and through loosening yourself up. All right? So that's how I use massage guns in my practice. I think they're great. You can get one at the store. We can come do it for you. Whatever you want to use it for. Soft tissue wise, okay? You're not going to use it for a sprained ankle. Just you're going to use it when you have sore muscles, right? Related to DOMs, or you have some tight tissues that you want to loosen up. Okay? So, hey, everybody, again, thanks for watching. I'm glad you guys are enjoying these. And then if you want to share this with anyone that you think might benefit, they just got a massage gun, aren't sure how to use it, share this video with them, man. It's great. It's good to use this properly. You don't want to cause injury with these massage guns. You want to alleviate some of your symptoms, okay? If you have any questions, you can throw them in the comments below. And just thanks for watching, and let us know what else you want to know about. We're going to get live trying for every Friday right now. Okay? So take care and have a good weekend.